Hey Instagrammers, ready to make your feed even more picture perfect? And most importantly, perfectly secure? Here at Easy Digital Safety, we'll make sure your stunning brunch photos and dreamy landscape shots stay yours, and only yours, safe from those nosy web villains. Okay, here we go. Is your Instagram account's security looking a bit, well, last season? Ready to give it a fabulous makeover and make sure it's not just looking good, but feeling Fort Knox level strong? Instagram has a super cool built-in tool called Security Checkup. To find this digital fountain of security youth, simply strut over to your profile, tap that ever-so-chic menu icon, the triple-decker sandwich universality symbol. Then navigate through Settings and Privacy, glide into the Accounts Center, breeze into Password and Security, and voila! Security Checkup will be there ready for its close-up. For yung sarsa, it'll gently nudge you through some vital checks. You'll get to see if your password is more of a 123456 oops or a super secret ninja level masterpiece. Confirm your contact info like your email and phone number are fresh and up to date. Super important if your account ever needs a dramatic SOS rescue. And the main event, take a peek at your two-factor authentication or 2FA status. Now, what's this 2FA wizardry? Imagine your Instagram account is an exclusive VIP party. Your password? That's the bouncer at the main door. But 2FA? That's the secret handshake and the special wristband you also need to get past the velvet rope. This extra proof is usually a quick one-time code sent to your phone or an authenticator app. So even if a digital party crasher somehow snags your password, the main door key, they're still left out in the cold without that secret handshake and wristband. It's a massive "you shall not pass" to hackers. The security checkup will give you the green light if your 2FA bouncer team is on duty. And because getting your 2FA set up perfectly is like giving your account an impenetrable superhero cape, it's so crucial that we've actually created a separate, super-duper clear YouTube video. It spills all the deets on 2FA and walks you through the setup from A to Z, no confusing bits. We'll definitely hook you up with the link to that awesome guide. Seriously, investing just a few minutes in this guided security checkup isn't a chore. It's like sending your account to a high-tech bodyguard training camp. It's an excellent habit that massively jazzes up your account's defenses against any digital baddies trying to spoil your Insta fun. And there's another gem for an Instagram that shines bright without burning your security. This is just a sneak peek. Our collection of tips at Easy Digital Safety is as vast as your favorite filter collection. Explore them all. Did this video help? Like and share with your friends to protect more people. Follow Easy Digital Safety for more tips and simple tutorials to stay safe online.